let me share a little bit of an introduction about the company we're featuring today. So the company, Longsen Children's Vehicle Company Limited, was actually established in 2013. Now, they are actually a design and manufacturing company of children's ride-on cars. Now, the factory behind me is actually ISO 9001 certified. And of course, all their products meet the certain standards for Europe and North America, which are the EN71 and ASTM F963. Now, they have their own brand LS, and they have licenses as well with Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar, and all other popular brands. They actually specialize in ride-on cars, battery-operated ride-on cars that are 1:4 scale. So they have this nice size for toddlers or for kids. Now, the factory behind me is actually 8,000 square meters. So we have a lot of ground to cover. And they have 80 workers and 3 workshops. So actually, I have here a couple of many certificates that Longsen has. So we have here the Children's Product Certificate, or CPC. It's awarded to them. It means they're compliant with the safety standards from different countries. But let me go specific. I have here from Intertech. It's going to be it's actually the EN71 and the ASTM F963. That, like what I mentioned earlier on in this showroom, was they comply with these different standards for European and North American standards. And another one is, of course, the test verification of conformity. Their CE, all right? It's awarded to Pinghu Longsen Children's Vehicle Company Limited. There you go. All right, so we are in one of the workshops, and this is actually their assembly line. It's just one of many, because I can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. They have several assembly lines here. So right now, it looks like they're assembling several cars here. And in this assembly line, it starts, of course, from the beginning. It's gonna be just the chassis, and it's pretty much doesn't look like a car yet. And then they slowly put different parts in it. All right, so along the assembly line, of course, we have the quality inspector. Now, the quality inspector checks before it gets to the stage where it's gonna be packaged. He checks for, smudges with the plastic, the build, the exterior, the interior. And then he checks as well if everything is okay from the wiring. He tests all the sound effects that the car has, if everything's working fine. All right, after the final quality inspection from our friend over there, now as you can see, we can see that they actually started loading up some of the accessories, because most of these cars, not only from Longsen, most of anything that you would see that ride-on cars that are produced or manufactured, when it comes to packaging, of course, the wheels need to be disassembled. Just the basic installation, right? So they have everything here, and they're gonna wrap it with a special plastic that will protect it from the different weather conditions or different conditions. So they pack the car, right? But this is actually the packaging area. This means this car already passed quality inspection.